Their display will reflect the discipline, focus, and commitment cultivated within their respective organizations. Ladies and gentlemen, standing in the corridors, you're being asked to go over on the infield. There are a set of keys at the operating room 13. The musical contingent is led by Drum Major Andre Campbell and Drum Major O'Neill Simpson. Musical contingent is led by Drum Major Andre Campbell and Drum Major O'Neill Simpson. It features snare and bass drummers, trumpeters, and clarinetists, with members traveling from as far as Westmoreland, Hanover, and St. James. Drill squads from across Jamaica are led by Master Guide CDI Rason Gooden. The entire display is coordinated with the support of Drill Major CDI SYLPLA Equatoria Blackwood. Ladies and gentlemen, we invite you to enjoy their performance of beloved Jamaican songs, including This Is the Land of My Birth, and I Will Not Suffer, with skill, grace, and precision. They are moving through a series of formations that honor our nation and embody this year's theme, Jamaica 64. United in celebrating resilience. 64, ladies and gentlemen, a round of applause. A round of applause for the uniformed groups, ladies and gentlemen, as they exit the field. Thank you, Grand Gala. I will now hand over to Miss Stacey Ann Smith.